In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in ClickUp. Tracking your time directly inside ClickUp is a great way to understand where your day actually goes, stay on top of billable hours, and keep projects on schedule. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to start a time entry, connect it to the right task, adjust the duration, and add useful details like tags, all from your workspace. First, make sure you're in your ClickUp workspace and open the Overview section for your team space. This is usually where you'll see a high-level view of what's going on in your workspace, and it's also where the time tracking controls are easy to access. Once you're there, look toward the area where your time tracking or timer icon appears. Go ahead and click on that highlighted timer area to open the time tracking panel. When the panel opens, you'll see options related to the current time entry. Click on the highlighted section that lets you choose or change the task. This is important. Every time entry should be tied to a specific task, so your reports are meaningful later. In the drop-down or search box that appears, click on Select Task, then find and select the task you're working on. You can search by task name or scroll through the list if needed. Next, you'll see the task's status, such as In Progress. Click on that In Progress label if it's part of the time tracking pop-up. This helps keep your task status aligned with your actual work. Once that's set, look for the highlighted time fields. Here you can either let the timer run live or manually adjust the start and end times. Click into the time field and set your desired time, making sure the hours and minutes reflect the actual work you've done or plan to log. After setting the time, confirm any highlighted buttons to apply those changes. Now, to make your time entries more organized, click on Add Tags. Tags are great for categorizing your work by client, project type, or activity, which makes reporting much clearer. Choose from existing tags or click on the highlighted area to create or select the ones you need for this entry. Once your task, time, and tags are all set, review everything briefly. When you're happy with it, click on Save. This will record your time entry to the selected task in ClickUp, so it appears in your timesheets and reports, and that's it. You've successfully tracked time in ClickUp, linked it to a task, and added helpful context so your future reporting is accurate and easy to understand.